This tiny looking equation fools most people. So let's solve it in 10 seconds. So here dot means multiplication. So x multiplication x minus x equal x. So let's start with today's video solution. So x times x is x square minus x equal x. Now bring all the terms together. So x square minus x equals 0. So x square minus 2x equals 0. So now factorize it. I can take x as common. So x minus 2 equals 0. So here both the factors equals to 0. So first x equals 0, then x minus 2 equals 0. So it becomes x equal 2. So these are the two values of x. So let's verify this. X minus x times x minus x equal x. So when x is equals to 0, so it's 0 times 0 minus 0 is 0 minus 0, that is 0. So yes, it equals to 0. Now when x is equals to 2, so it's 2 times 2 minus 2 equal 2, we have to prove. So it's 4 minus 2, that is 2. Yes, it's equals to 2. So both the solution is verified. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.